Flex umbrella, a mix of small and large innovations that allow you to wear the umbrella also wet, without dripping, to never leave the umbrella, and that your hands are always free. First of all, an innovative waterproof case for storing the wet umbrella, with a drop hold. The housing is emptied simply by pulling a ring when you're most comfortable. The case has been handmade by Italian craftsmen and is achievable in different materials. Kjaro is fully customizable. Thanks to the winding band with magnets closing to the umbrella today is become really easy. Kjaro is a real design object to wear, suitable for any situation and to any style.